All right, guys. So I just got the rear lights from Falcon PV to mount on my 010X. Come over here. See it's right here. The 010X. We're not looking at the back because that's where this is gonna go. I tried figuring out where this is gonna go to, and I checked online. They didn't really show a way to mount this on the back, but I think I figured something out. I try to use this bracket thing, but this is not gonna work at all. Not for this. There's really no place to mount this thing on the rear area that's gonna be visible that will make sense. And I tried taking off the bolts that's right here off to the side. That was difficult to try to do, so that's not gonna work either. So I'll show you guys the easiest way that I think that this is gonna work. I said I think because I haven't tried it yet, but I'm doing the video just in case if it works. You guys can also use the same method. So this comes with the bracket, and what I'm gonna do right now is cut this piece and cut it in half so I can put it down here. I need to bring you guys closer to see this, like people seeing exactly where stuff is going. So I'm gonna put this over here, right? I'm gonna put this right here so that way this clamp right here can actually go in here and be more secure. Because let me show you, if I try not to use this and I put this clamp, see, if you put this, you can put this through this like so, but it's so loose. It's so loose right there. No matter how much you tighten this, it's never gonna be tight enough. So we're gonna have to put this in there around that. Cut this in half. Got my scissors. Bam. Okay, so now I can wrap it around. Here, but most of this stuff is mainly experiments, and it was so weird that they did not like show how to put this here and it will work. So now open up the bracket thing and get it in there. All right, so now you see now I'll be able to, let me get you guys closer. Now I will be able to just tighten this and then secure it and then mount this. So right now we're gonna put on the bolt and then put it on there and then tighten it. Let's see if it's gonna work. So this comes like this. I'll show you how it goes on there right now. So it's gonna go on like that, and then you're gonna put this through. I think you can put it through either side, it doesn't really matter. So just put it through and it should come out, pop off from the other side. Pops off from the other side. Okay, and then you put the little screw. It would have been nice to have a washer. Shouldn't you have a washer? Now turn this. Now I can turn this a lot. Okay, grab the bigger bolt, put it through. All right, let's start tightening it up. I'm gonna start rotating it to the other side. I'll grab my screwdriver. Yeah, it seems pretty tight right now. Okay, and we're gonna put it right there. See the little hole right there. Push it out through the other side, and then I'm gonna get my little bolt and okay, it's going in. And again, there you go. a little bit. Just make it a little bit tighter. I don't want this thing falling off on me as I'm writing. So there you go. Installed. If you want to raise it up, it has like a little thing. You just adjust it like to raise it up a little bit more. But here it is. Looks pretty clean. It looks pretty clean right there. It looks like that's how it kind of came with it. So there it is. Get you a little bit closer. Want to see how I put it on there. This is the controller that you're gonna get, and on the side right here, if you can zoom in, this, you see the power button right there. On that side where the power button is at, you're gonna press and hold it, and it powers on. Now if you press, let me show you what it's gonna. So if you just press it, it's gonna flash. It lets you know how much charge that's left. See? Because it's also rechargeable by USB. So I'm gonna press and hold it. Powers on. This is the remote control. Alright? So this is what you do. You push this button right here, the one in the middle, and I believe that's how it comes on. See? You just turned off, push this, it just turned on. And then to the left, that's to the left. And to the right. And then you press it again for it to stop. And then this is to blink. And then it has like some kind of laser guidance thing, whatever. So press, it's this. Press this. Show you what it's doing right here. So if you look at the floor, that's some laser guidance stuff that it has. So that's when you press the bottom one. So now it's flashing. I guess if you press it again, it will flash, and then press again and then it goes off. So press one more time, it pops up. You press again, it flashes as you're writing, and then you press again and it goes off. So that's pretty much it. I hope this really helped you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you guys. Bye.